During a risk assessment, the need for personal protective equipment, or PPE, is identified and which type is best suited to be used. PPE is equipment used by an employee to directly protect them from harm or discomfort while at work. PPE can also improve the way that things are done by making it more comfortable to work. There are many different types of PPE to protect different parts of your body. Your employer will advise what you need to wear. When your employer provides you with PPE, you must wear it and keep it well maintained. If the PPE is damaged, it's no longer effective and can become a risk itself and cause you harm. Report any damages and do not use damaged PPE or that PPE that doesn't fit you. The more common different types of PPE include head protection. This can be in the form of a hard hat or a reinforced cap to protect you against things that may fall or if you hit your head against something. They must be adjusted inside to make sure that the supports fit your head. Some also have visors on to protect your eyes and earmuffs to protect your hearing. Ear defenders. These protect your hearing from short and long-term hearing damage. They can be in the form of foam plugs that go into your ear or the full ear defenders that go over your head or attach to hard hats. Overalls. These prevent loose clothing getting entangled, keep you clean, prevent contamination that transfers on your clothes, and some are made of materials that resist fire or chemicals. Where necessary, high visibility strips are sewn into the overalls to make you more visible to others. Cold weather clothing. This protects you from cold and rain, which can prevent accidents by making you more comfortable. If you're cold, you will not be concentrating on the work you're completing, therefore accidents can happen. Gloves. There are many different types of gloves to protect you from blood, chemicals, to protect you from sharp items, keep you warm, and give you more grip, and to keep you dry. Footwear. This can be Wellington boots or work boots, and sometimes these have steel toe caps to protect you if something is dropped onto your foot. Footwear is also designed to have features like a good grip to avoid slips and resistance to chemicals. High visibility clothing. This can be coats, overalls, vests, armbands. These make you more visible to people and drivers of vehicles. Breathing equipment. This can be from complex face masks and breathing apparatus to a simple mouth and nose paper mask. These avoid dust particles entering your respiratory system. Any mask or respirator must be well maintained and the mask filters must be changed where needed. Safety goggles or glasses. These prevent dust, dirt or liquids getting into your eyes which can irritate and damage your sight. Safety harnesses. If you're working at heights or in dangerous areas, you may have to wear a safety harness. You will need special training on harness use, as if they're not worn correctly, they can be ineffective. And finally, life jackets. If you're working near or on water, it may be necessary to wear a life jacket just in case you fall into the water. There are many other types of PPE. Talk to your employer on what you need to use while at work. The Personal Protective Equipment Regulations 1992 lays down the laws that must be followed by the employer and the employee. It is a legal duty to provide PPE by employers and for the employees to use it. If you have any doubts, please contact your manager.